first type of repair I'm gonna show you how to do is gonna be really small hole repairs. For instance, it could be a nail hole, a screw hole, right? In this spot, we had a picture hanging there, and I don't wanna hang this picture back up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill it with my putty. Now, one thing to be aware of is, let's say some of the drywall paper was sticking out of the hole. What I wanna do is I'm gonna take my screwdriver and I might press it in just a little bit, because what that's gonna do is kind of gonna bend that paper into the hole, so that way it's not sticking out when you come and sand it, and then you have some little piece of paper that are still sticking up. Next, I'm gonna open up my putty, get a little on my finger. Doesn't take much for a small repair like this. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press it into the hole, okay? I wanna get it down in there, because if I don't get it inside the hole and I come back and sand it, you might see the hole again because you'll sand through what you had. Now, one thing you gotta watch out for is when you're finishing this, you don't wanna press hard or wipe the putty off the top. Because now you can still see the hole, because my finger pressed into the indentation and now I have a little bit of a dip there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little more putty, add it on top, and I'm gonna be very careful to gently smooth out the edges around the hole, and now I have this tiny little hump where the nail hole was. So when I come back in 20 or 30 minutes to sand this small repair, it just sands down that little hump to where it's perfectly smooth and it blends perfectly with the wall, and you'll never see that repair again.